Welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. In earlier session, we have learned how to make square of the given number. Yes or no? Now in this session, we are going to learn how to take out square root. Yes or no? Square root we are going to take out in this session. Okay, I have written here some information. What is that? Squares ending digit. Squares ending digit. Which are that? 1. If there is squares ending digit is 1, then that numbers square roots ending digits will be 1 or, I have to write here, 1 or 9. If square ending digit is 4, that digits square roots ending digit will be 2 or 8. Yes or no? If squares ending digit is 9, that square root ending digit will be 3 or 7. Yes, if squares ending digit is 6, that square roots ending digit will be 4 or 6. Yes, now if it is 5, here will be 7, 5 and 0. I hope you understood what I have written. Yes or no? Then I will take here some square numbers. That square numbers we have to take out here digits. Yes, I will write here some numbers. We have to write here square root of the given number. Just I will note down here questions. Yes, first one. 64, okay. 9216 561. Okay, I have taken these 5 numbers. Of these 5 numbers, we have to find out square root. Now I will take here first number, then as well as I will explain here. Okay, I have to take out here square root, so that I will keep here square root sign. This is square root sign. Okay, then first step, what we have to do, from right hand side we have to make here group of 2 numbers. Yes, we have done. After that, here end digit, which is that 6. This is square. Now we have to see here. If it is 6, then its square root's unit digit number will be, see here, 6, where is 6? Here. And it will be 4 or 6. You understood this one? Yes. We haven't decided. This is first step. We have to do one by one. Yes or no? We have done this. Okay. This is second step. Now third step. This is 40. 40 is not exactly square of any number. Then in this case we have to see here 40. In between, this is square of, see here, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. Yes, 6 square 36 and 7 square 49. 6 square will be here 36 and 7 square will be 49. This number will come in between these two squares. Yes or no? If 40 comes in between these 36 and 49 and its square roots 6 and here 7. Yes or no? Then we have to multiply here 6 into 7. We have to multiply here 6 into 7. Then what is our answer? This is first step here to make groups, and after that this is second step. This one is third step. Yes, and this is here fourth step. In fourth step, what we have to do? 6 into 7 will be 42. Yes or no? If it is 42, then we have to see here. Yes, this is fourth step. And after this fourth step, fifth step, I will tell you. What is here? Here fifth step. And here this one. This 40 number, I will write in blue. After multiplying 6 into 7, here will be 42. Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number here? Here 42 is a bigger number. 42 is bigger than 40. So we have to take between these bigger number. No, between this bigger number we have to take. Yes or no? It means I have to write 40 is smaller. Okay, sorry. This is 40 is smaller, so that I have to take here smaller number 6 or 7. Which is the small number? 6. Then I will take here 6. If I take here 6, okay, as for this I have to take 6, and this one fifth one, sixth step. What is that? Here I have to write 64 or 66. Now I have to take smaller number. This is small number. In the given square root, this is small number. So I have to select this one. Yes, select this one. And here 64 square root of this number is 64 is the square root. Understood? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes. Then I will take here another number. I will keep these all steps as it is because you have to understand. Yes or no? Then I will take here next number. What is that? 3364. Okay, first step, what is here? We have to make here two number, two digits group from right side. This is first step. Now second step, here unit digit we have to see. We have to see here like this. Here is 6. Yes or no? Here is 4. Where is the 4? C. If it is 4, here 2 or 8. Yes or no? 2 or 8. Okay. Now further step we have to do this one 33. This is not a perfect square, then we have to take out square number. Yes or no? And in this way this 33 will come in between two square numbers. Yes or no? Now 5 square will be 25 and 6 square will be 36. Now see, I will write here direct 36. Yes or no? And 33 will come here in between. Yes or no? In between. We understood this one? Then in this way what we have to do? What is the square root of 25? 5 only. What is the square root of 36? 6 only. We have to multiply it. 5 into 6 will be 30. 5 into 6 will be 30. Now next step. This is second. Then you will understand here. Yes or no? I have written here steps also. Yes. Now next. Here we have to check 33 and this one. Which is the bigger number? We have to see. As for this number, we have to take number. Yes or no? Yes. Then what I have to take here? 33 is bigger number and 30 is the smaller number. In this way, see here. 6 number is here. So here 64. So here 64 or 66. Yes or no? Then in this case, here 2, here 4. It means 40. It means here we have to take here okay. This is smaller number. From these I have to take 5 or 6. I have to take 5. This is bigger number. It means I have to take here 5. And here if it is 5, then I have to take this one 52 or 58. Which is the bigger number here? As per this is its square. Yes or no? This is its square. Understood here? Okay, understood? In this way you have to solve remaining square numbers, these and these. First of all you have to check this one. After that you have to take out. These are not perfect number or perfect square. In between you have to take out square, and that square roots number you have to multiply it. After multiplying that multiplication number, it means like this 30 and 33, which is the bigger number. As per number we have to take. Yes or no? I hope you understood how to do. One more I will solve here. Which number I have to take here? 56 I will take. Okay. What is here? 5. Yes. 5 number is here. Is it? If it is 5, here 5 only. Yes or no? If it is 5 only, and it is not a perfect square. In this case, what we have to do? And we have to find out here perfect square. In which between number this 56 will be fit? That we have to see. 6 square will be 36. 7 square will be 49. Yes or no? 7 square will be 49. 8 square will be 64. Yes or no? This number will fit in between this. Yes or no? Okay. Now we have to do here. This 56. 7 into 8. What is here answer? 52. And this one. Now we have to cross check here. Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number? This is bigger number. If it is bigger number, what we have to take here? What we have to take here? Bigger number from this. 7 or 8 bigger number. 8 is a bigger number. So I have to write here 8. And here is no choice. It is 5 only. So I have to write here 5. And it is square root. This is square. If this number square root will be 85. In this way we have to solve. Yes or no? Square root means here I have to write in this way. 64. If you make here square, then you will get this answer. This whole 4-digit number you will get answer. Yes or no? I hope you understood how to solve. If you have any query regarding this, put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you.